Welcome to the third Introduction to Inventor video. This video is going to be of a latte cup. That's a cup with sloped sides. The main aim of this video is to reinforce the skills learned in the first two videos, as well as to introduce the Revolve feature. To begin with, we're going to select the pencil in the top left hand corner, and we then want to select one of the vertical work planes like so. Now we're going to use the Revolve feature to begin with, so I'm going to zoom out and work in this space just in the top left. For the Revolve feature, I need to select the pencil tool, or the line tool, and I'm going to draw half the shape. So I'm going to start by drawing a horizontal line along the bottom, and then a sloped edge, which would be the side of the cup. Again, you might need to zoom out and to get the proportions you need. I'm then going to draw a horizontal line along the top. You might need to zoom in for this. There we go. And then a parallel line down this edge here. Now when you see the two lines appear, that means the lines are parallel. And I want to draw lines round to make a closed outline shape. It's really important the shapes are closed in outline. And as you can see there, I've got my parallel line down the side. Once I'm done, I can hit the green finish sketch tick. Hit the zoom all button, and you can see the profile shape there. Now we're going to use the Revolve tool, so it automatically picks up the profile, and I then need to select the center axis. So I'm going to click that line just there. What happens, it takes the shape and spins it around 360 degrees around that center line and creates a shape a bit like this. There we go. Now on these cups, you usually have a wider base for stability. So we're going to go back across to the model tree and select our sketch. We right click on it and edit sketch. We can go back and edit our sketch to make a wider base. What I'm going to do is draw a triangle shape along the bottom, just like that, to make the base. Now this shape won't work, the feature won't work because I don't have an outline shape, so I need to select the trim tool and remove this line just here. And there we go, so I've got a nice outline shape now. If I hit the green tick to update it, you'll see I've now got a base on the bottom of my cup. Like in the second model, we now want to fillet some edges to make it look a bit nicer. So let's fillet the base part first of all. And because I haven't done this to size, I'm going to have to have a little play with some of these sizes. Let's radius it to, I think that looks pretty good. And let's do the top edge as well, so it's a bit nicer to drink from. Again, let's try maybe 5mm on that one. Yeah, that's pretty good as well. Yeah, I like that. There we go. Okay, so next step is to do the handle, and we're going to do the handle the same as we did in the coffee mug. So what we need to do first is choose a bit of paper that's going through the centre of the model. So we'll click on Origin, find one of the work planes, I'll select that one, click the pencil to draw on it, and I can then draw the handle in place. I'm going to draw it near the bottom end here. Again, like the first model, the second model should have the same. I'm going to select Project Geometry to give us a helpful line, and then using the arc tool, I can draw the curve in place, and it's going to snap to this line. I just draw it so it looks the right proportion. Hit the green tick. You can see I've kind of penciled in where the handle's going to go. We're going to use the sweep feature once more. Again, the sweep feature, just to remind you, we need a 2D profile shape, and we need to have a line, which is a path, to draw along. So we've got a path. Let's draw the profile shape. I'm going to put a new bit of paper on a new work plane. Just use tangent to an edge. Click that line twice to position the paper, and I can then draw on that bit of paper the shape I'm needing. Again, I'm going to turn it. We want to make sure the shape we're going to draw, it's a circle once more, is going to be at the very end of the line. And just draw a circle that looks the right proportion. There we go. So we've now got the two things we need for the sweep. We've got our profile, that's a shape, and our path, the line. There we go. So I can select the profile, I can select the path, and the circle's dragged along the line to form the handle shape. Like in the second model, we want to remove this work plane, so we can right click on it, click on visibility, and it looks so much better. There we go, we've got one latte cup made. Let's add some colour. So again, we're going to click on Tools and Appearance. We can then select the surfaces we want to colour. There we go. Let's make these red. So right click and go Assign to Selection. Need to zoom in a bit for this though. Oh wait, top edges as well, so let's select these edges as well. Make them red. Let's make it black inside. And maybe the handle black as well. And there we go. A Latte cup. Thank you for watching.